Hello, this is a preview for the course Visual Performance Evaluation for Athletes at Academy 2018. The purpose of this course is to identify what vision factors are commonly critical for success in sport. How do we assess those visual factors in a way that is ecologically a good simulation of the task demands those athletes face? And how do we use those results to identify where athletes have the most chance of improving their performance and optimizing vision? I think as a profession, most optometrists are really good at being able to help with occupational demands, school-related demands, but performance in sport is one of those areas that I think there's a lot of interest, but not always a lot of education. So hopefully, I will see you at Academy 2018 in San Antonio, and we can talk about what these opportunities are. Thank you.